In yesterday's video, I shared with you that without high levels of productivity and efficiency, your business will not reach its full potential. I promised you a solution for this, especially when dealing with your now clearly defined ideal client profile. So here it is. My number one strategy for greater productivity and efficiency is to be more active. Now, what does this look like? Well, more active communications, more meetings, more phone calls, more emails, more text messages, more social media posts, ultimately more conversations with your ideal prospects. More is better. You know, there's a dynamic and magic that comes with this increased level of activity. I've seen it firsthand with sales teams, service teams, small business owners, and many service professionals. The more often you do something, the better you become. It's like cutting a path through a dense forest. The more it is traveled, the clearer, the wider, the smoother, the faster, and the easier the path. So when you combine this with the spirit of relentless refinement, always adjusting and improving what you say and what you do with others, and better results are a natural byproduct you'll benefit from. Both individually and in teams, people learn faster and deliver results quicker by getting more active. All other things being equal, I'll always bet on the more active team or individual to win. Now, the best way to hack your activity levels is to batch them. Now, simply organize your similar activities into the same block of time. If you have emails to send, phone calls to make, proposals to prepare, social media posts to deliver, texts to send, and meetings to have, then batch them into clusters. Find places for them to live within your calendar. An example of this might be when you're following up with your prospects, you line up the contact information for all those people you're following up with on a list and then communicate with them in batches. You batch all of your phone calls one after another. Then you batch your emails one after another. Then you batch your text messages one after another, and so forth. What you'll unleash is a rhythm and a flow that has you getting these done in a rapid fire mode. Plan your activities and then simply work your way through them. Quick, efficient, effective use of your most valuable commodity, your time. You'll get to love this over time, especially when people are amazed at how much you actually get done. The one I love hearing most is, how can you be everywhere all the time? Now, while being super productive and massively efficient is a vital step towards improving your business, without this next learning lesson, you'll likely undermine and limit the long-term value of your enterprise. Without having high levels of client satisfaction, you're likely to lose customers to competitors or indifference over a period of time. This means you'll need to replace these lost customers with new ones just to keep pace. Now, we've shared enough of your time today. In tomorrow's video, I will share with you my number one strategy for improving your client satisfaction levels when communicating and dealing with your ideal client profile community.